Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. This is youtube.com website, and to create a new channel, simply log in to your Google account. If you don't have it, simply create a Gmail and you will have a Google account. After that, after visiting youtube.com, click on this profile icon from this corner and hit this create a channel link. First, give your channel a picture. Click on select picture. You can upload it from your computer or select one from this list. After that, give your channel a name, for example, Ben's Experience, and select the handle of your channel. The handle is the link that will be seen after youtube.com, and this is your channel handle. After that, click on this create channel link. And just like that, you created yourself a brand new YouTube channel. To customize your channel, just click on this customize channel button. Click on this continue. Now you can upload your channel banner from here. You can also upload your channel picture. You can edit your channel name, same thing with the channel handle. Here you can write your YouTube channel description. I've already made a video about how to write a good YouTube channel description. You can add links, for example, your social links or website link. You can add a contact info to let people contact you. And here you can add a video watermark, or I prefer to use a subscribe icon here. So when people watch my videos, they see a subscribe button from here. And to edit the layout of your channel, you can edit it from here. And first, you need to verify your channel. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And first, you need to verify your channel to have advanced feature. To verify your channel, just go to settings, go to channel. Before seeing how to verify your channel, I recommend you to select your country of residence from this list and add keywords to help the algorithm or the viewers find your channel. After that, click on feature eligibility. As you can see, the standard features are enabled, and to get the intermediate features like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, use custom thumbnails, or just live streaming, you need to verify your channel by adding your phone number. For the advanced features like appealing content ID claims, create more live streams daily, or just upload more videos daily, you need to first have the intermediate features enabled and one of these: video verification, valid ID, or channel history. The video verification, they sent you a verification method on your smartphone. You open the verification from the email and you start performing actions like turning your head up and down, left and right. For the valid ID, you just send them you take photo of your passport or driver license and you send it to YouTube. Or you can just wait or keep working on your channel for 2 months and you will have this advanced features enabled. And this is how to create a YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.